gotta see things. See new faces and brand new things. Gotta go places and do things. Maybe to forget.
What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick bourbon old-fashioned using products that I purchased on Amazon.com. All the links for everything that you're going to need to make a perfect old-fashioned in your own home are going to be below, so click the description below. So an old-fashioned dates back to the mid-1800s. It's a super popular whiskey drink, and especially in the last couple of years, it's become increasingly re-popular. So is that a word? Re-popular? Question mark. Ding. Anyways, so it's popular. I want to show you how we make them at home. It's an impressive drink. You can use bourbon, you can use rye, you can twist them all kinds of different things. You could use flavored bitters. There's all kinds of different stuff. This is just going to be kind of a base level old fashioned using some outstanding products that I purchased on Amazon.com. You feel free to get different flavored bitters, get different whiskeys, get all kinds of different stuff, and really kind of make it your own. So let's just jump into it. All right, let me just talk about a couple things that you could purchase on Amazon to really level up your game. These ice cube trays, they're rubber, they're silicone, they're dishwasher safe. They make really, really nice cubes. Look at this. They make really, really nice cubes. And they're square. You can get spherical circle ones, you can get all that. But I put our Sparkletts filtered water in it, and I drop it in the glass. One rock makes for a really impressive old fashioned. Again, link down below, pick up these ice cube trays, make those in your refrigerator. Next thing you're gonna need is some good flavored bitters. Okay, I picked this up on Amazon. I really like this brand. This is Reagan's. It's an orange bitters. You can get chocolate bitters, you can get strawberry bitters. There's so many different flavors of bitters that you can do. But you're gonna wanna take your glass, and you're gonna wanna take this, and you're gonna give it just a couple of dashes of bitters in there. Next thing that you could purchase on Amazon is a nice little bottle like this. I showed this in our simple syrup video. I'm gonna link the simple syrup video above on how to make a homemade simple syrup. This is what we made in here, and you're just gonna wanna put a little bit in the glass here. A little bit of simple syrup for that flavor. All right, next, there's a couple different ways that you can do this. You wanna get a good, nice orange, and what I do is you just want the peel, you want the pulp, you want the zest. Okay, you don't want to go too deep into it. You want to take this and you really want to express the orange around the glass. Those oils, that moisture, you really want to get it around the rim. You just really want the glass to be filled with the aromatics of it. You really want to get it in there just like that. Okay, perfect. Next, Game Changer. Game Changer, again on Amazon. All this stuff is on Amazon. That's how easy it is to get this on Prime and to make your perfect old fashioned. There's two different type of cherries that I like to use. I like to use these Tashi cherries, or I like to use Lexardo. I'm gonna link both of them down below. This is a level up Game Changer. Nobody has these. They're expensive. This, look at how big this is right here. And look at how many cherries are in this. This was about $20. But I'm telling you, the game-changing effects of this is incredible, okay? You want one cherry, and a little bit of juice if you don't spill it all over your board. Okay? And again, you could put the orange in last, you could put the orange in first. I'm just giving you the basic rundown of what we're doing. Cube, orange, bitters, simple syrup cherry, a little bit of cherry juice. Pick your favorite whiskey. This is not my favorite whiskey. It's just something that we had around the house. It's just a decent low-line bourbon. You want to fill it up right to the top of the cube. And you want to give it a quick stir. You want to let that orange express itself. And you want to wait about 2 to 3, 4 minutes. Let that ice cube open up. Let all the flavors open up. And there you go. Boom. That's your old fashioned at home. That is enough to impress anybody at home with outstanding, inexpensive products that you purchased on Amazon.com.
Your skill is
That honestly is one of my favorite go-to cocktails. Probably my favorite cocktail of all time. So I really appreciate you guys watching. If you pick up any of the items that I talked about in the video, links are down below. It helps the channel, it doesn't cost you any more, and they're really, really awesome products, and they're inexpensive, and they really can level up your bartending game at home. So, that's it. That's it. Thank you guys for watching, and check out some of our other videos. Cheers.